Probe launched into Spalding's shooting as the cops involved have been removed from frontline duty, pending an investigation into the incident. A man was also arrested for damaging a police vehicle.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
The police high command says the policemen implicated in the shooting incident involving a bus driver in Spalding's Clarendon on Tuesday, February the 5th, have been removed from frontline duty, pending an investigation into the incident by two independent bodies. Reports are that the Bureau of Special Investigations and the Independent Commission of Investigations INDECOM have launched a probe into the matter that has sparked protest and condemnation. Area 3 Commander, Assistant Commissioner of Police Clifford Chambers, confirmed that the incident was being investigated independently. Chambers said that the scene was processed and the officers in the matter removed from frontline duty, pending the outcome of investigations by the BSI and INDECOM. However, another report which quotes the commanding officer for the Manchester Police Division, Superintendent Wayne Cameron, as saying that the cop in question is now on sick leave. The bus driver from the incident was reportedly operating in breach of his road license. He remains in hospital in stable condition. Meanwhile, the Manchester police have arrested one man and are on the hunt for two others, who are believed to have caused extensive damage to the windshield and back windows of a police service vehicle during the incident in Spalding's. Commanding Officer Superintendent Wayne Cameron said that while quite a few other persons may have been involved, they are in search of two other persons directly responsible for the malicious destruction of the vehicle. Both the front and back windscreens have been extensively damaged. Windows have been smashed and there were two attempts to set the car ablaze. The blaze was put out before the car caught fire, Cameron said.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.